We're out here on the Willow Creek Trail. This is kind of like a gravel hiking trail, multi-use, and I have the adventure rig here set up with the Toe Peak trunk bag, camera gears in the back, and this is the kind of newly built gravel bike, adventure bike. We're gonna go and do some wildlife photography. I've got the camera on my chest on the strap, and we're gonna go do some riding and explore this trail. This is like the best feeling day in months. It's like low 80s and low humidity, so let's get to it. Found this cool little trail that's like paralleling this canal system. This is a historic canal system, and it leads to I think it's the Tomoka Bay is what it would be considered. I don't know if this trail really leads to anywhere. I think it's more of just like a cut path that somebody uses. It brings you out straight to the creek. Wow, that's actually really cool. Brings you straight out to this overlook.